Kumar and 3 others, they met us and according to them, we were very cordial. Our side also we were present. We welcomed them. We congratulated them also. Then finally, they had faced one freshman also. He came and asked details. And they said, let us have some time so that we can approach to other members of IPOTO, those who are still outside of them at that very point of time in Guwahati. So they will come to state and they will meet other colleagues who are still available, and they will sit together and they will convey the message to our chairman, Maharashtra. And they are trying, not really, but they are trying so that they come together one time to join with them. That is what we have done from there. And regarding our meeting with other leaders of other parties in the state, we have no record of it. But we still send message that we want that we should come together so that we can replace the present regime. Those who have become very familiar, they are no more familiar with the people. So we have appealed others also. And many have responded to our appeal, especially from town and staff, the minority communities, those who have started their talking with us, if they can become also strong segment of the population, especially the minority Muslim and from civil caste also, militaries and religious minorities also. They have all started coming and talking to us so that we can make some alternative state government. And regarding that issue, it is in process. We cannot just scale it that this much, that much is needed. But we still open our heart and mind and our talking also with them. It continues now because in politics we have to interact with certain area where we can have good understanding with the people. That is going on, that is on the process. Now, what we have been talking with ruling party, I will ask our senior leader, Mr. Jagadish Verma, which we have in Guwahati. So that part is still untold. It's not secret, it is open, but we are yet to take it out and take it to the press also, so that no misunderstanding, no speculation wrongly can be arrived at any places. We are very free, we don't conceal anything, because by concealing nothing we achieve. So we are very free open to our every step, because our chairman, Honorable Chongmari, has also advised. We have also been advised by others, senior and junior, mixed population and mixed ages people in our midst. We want that we should be also guided, we should be also guided together so that we can work actively and with strong mandate we have given to the people, so that people will like to know it. And we are, on the other hand, we are responsible and we cannot be escaped from any mistake whatsoever, whenever we commit it. So we are answerable. Therefore, we want to reveal the truth. So now I will.
The press list আপনাদের সম্মুখে করা হলো ইংলিশ ভার্সন। এটার এক্স্যাক্টলি বাংলা ভার্সন আমি বলতে যাব না। এটা হচ্ছে ত্রিপুরা মথা অ্যাজ এ পলিটিক্যাল পার্টি এখন পর্যন্ত কোনো ন্যাশনাল পলিটিক্যাল পার্টির সঙ্গে আমাদের আইডিওলজিক্যাল ডিমান্ড গ্রেটার ত্রিপুরাল্যান্ড নিয়ে কোনো কথাবার্তা হয়নি এখন পর্যন্ত। তো যেহেতু আমাদের লোক যারা আমাদের মথাতে আছেন ওনারাই সুপ্রিম, পার্টি ইজ সুপ্রিম। তো পার্টি লোকরা যেহেতু সুপ্রিম, তাদের যে অ্যাসপিরেশন, তাদের যে চাওয়া, তাদের যে ডিমান্ড আমাদের কাছে সর্বোপরি, পার্টির কাছে সর্বোপরি, পার্টি লিডারশিপের কাছে সর্বোপরি। তার জন্য ত্রিপুরা মথা অ্যাজ এ পলিটিক্যাল পার্টি এই অনগোয়িং যে চলমান যে নির্বাচন 2023-এ, এই চলমান নির্বাচনে ত্রিপুরা মথা একাই লড়ার জন্য সিদ্ধান্ত নিয়েছি। তো আমাদের পার্টির যিনি চেয়ারম্যান গোয়াগ্রা পদ্মু কিশোর মানিক্য, উনি হচ্ছেন সুপ্রিম কমান্ডার, অ্যান্ড তিনি যে ডিসিশন নেবেন পার্টি ক্যান্ডিডেটের সিদ্ধান্তের ব্যাপারে, ওনার যে সিদ্ধান্তই ফাইনাল বলে আমরা সবাই করে নেব। এবং পরবর্তী সময়ে উনি যখন এখানে আসবেন, পার্টির যে ক্যান্ডিডেটের যে মনোনীত যে সব এখানে বলে প্রার্থী ঘোষণা করবেন, অন্যান্য বিষয়ে তিনি এ সম্পর্কেও বলবেন বর্তমানে। তো এটাই মোটামুটি আজকের এই বক্তব্য আমাদের যে Guwahati, that if all other parties who are supporting our core demand, let them also give us writing that they also support this particular. Then we'll understand that they really support. Otherwise, orally supporting a demand sounds good, but if they are giving us in writing, that will be welcome.
But what we understand from Mr. Patlus, this shows videos though, so we could not speak anything. But is that he said what you are giving? He has not categorically said that the support has to be greater Tipra. If we carefully hear, he said on the our demand is greater Tipra, but for the development of the indigenous people and for their constitutional, what you will support
constitutional solution
you have, you give us on written on that. Is it a fact?
No, to my understanding, if I could correctly remember what he said that whatever we are demanding for should also be supported by them in writing. That's what the spirit of his statement.
Someone may say that we can develop the indigenous people to direct funding to the IDC or more power to the they may give in that form also. So, right now, the issue is not about direct funding. Right now, the issue is not development. We don't say that we don't require development, but looking at the scenario for the last 73 years, we are committed to adhere to the core demand that we are now striving for. Separate state.
So regarding the issue of support,
আমাদের বাজেট কত পাই? ফর এক্সাম্পল 20,000 কোটি পাই। যদি আমরা দুইটা স্টেট হয়ে যায়, একটা স্টেট দুইটা ভাগ হয়ে হতো, দুইটা স্টেট হয়ে যায়, আমরা ডাবল বেনিফিট হবে, ডাবল বাজেট পাবো। পপুলেশন বাড়ছে না, পপুলেশন ধরুন 40 লাখ, এদিকে 20 লাখ, এদিকে 20 লাখ, কিন্তু আমার বাজেট ডাবল হয়ে যাবে। সো হুল বেনিফিট, বোথ কমিউনিটি উইল বেনিফিট। This also will benefit, that will benefit. Because population remains same. So if you create separate state, within the state, all people will benefit economically and will develop very fast. Because budget will be double. For example, Tipra amara koto budget pai minimum. Arunachal Pradesh, they got double budget. We are getting around, for example, 25,000 crore. They are getting more than 35 crore. But population is very less. 35,000 crore. 35,000 crore Arunachal Pradesh they get. But their population only 13-14 lakhs. we got only 25 crore, 1,000 crore, but our population is nearly 40 lakhs. So the benefit of which I am telling is, if we get two states, if we can form new state, then our people will benefit. Because our population remain the same, but budget will be double. So everybody will benefit.
Meron ko na